Hi Philip.
Hi Andy.
How are you doing?
Yeah, everything great. I'm here at the EMO Automotive podest.
Yeah, let's talk about the automotive best-in-class solution that you're showing here. What is the component about?
So we are showing the 𝗕𝗲𝘀𝘀𝘁. It's a typical component of the EV transmission.
All right, and what is the specialty on this one? Why is it for the EV? What is the specialty on this component?
Special in the EV is that we have a higher torque in the transmission. So we have a higher quality on the parts than like in the combustion engine in the past. So we are focusing on a high quality, but in reduced cycle time.
Okay, because the customer needs cycle time reduction, right?
Absolutely.
All right.
So we know the costs are high on the production side, so this is our challenge.
So let's talk about the drills. They have a lot of inserts in, so it looks like one operation, right? So
absolutely. We can make the operation 10, the drilling process in one operation.
Okay.
If we have a middle spindle, what is in high production normally, we can work with simultan machining, and we have everything on our drill. So we make not only the hole, we also make the plan roughing and also a roughing for the chamfering. We only have to make the finish and have not that much material on.
Okay, so it's one shot tool, in, out, finish, and that's what the customer is looking for.
Absolutely.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move forward on the next operation.
Absolutely. So
This is the finish area, all right?
This is the finishing of the blend surface and also the chamfer inside.
So you use tools which are quite familiar to our customers, right?
Absolutely.
What is that?
This is an 𝗕𝗂𝘁. So we have the 𝗕𝗂𝘁, I think, since 20 years in our portfolio. The 𝗕𝗂𝘁 is a really stable tool, so we can have higher feed rates than in a normal C or D insert. Also the cost reduction is here because we can use it similar on other processes also. So
yeah, I understand. Okay, it's a multi-tool basically.
It's a multi-tool, yeah.
So that looks quite amazing because you have some 3D printed tool holder here. What is the special? It's about the CBN hard turning, right?
Absolutely. So we have here a hardened component. So we have our standard inserts for CBN turning. We can also make a semi-standard or special, also with master finish geometries to have higher feed rates and get in the quality.
All right.
We also are working with our CBN special grooving inserts. So for every application we have the right CBN and also right tools.
And what is that? Because this looks very interesting.
This is really interesting.
Tell us.
So we have here it's 3D printed to see the components inside of the holder. We have an 𝗕𝗿𝘀 cooling system developed.
Okay.
We can get a 6-bar air pressure inside with normal heat, like we have here.
Yeah.
And we get a heat on the cutting edge from -10 degrees.
Okay, so you go from room temperature or even more higher in the temperature, you go to -10 on the cutting edge.
Absolutely.
And this in the CBN turning, which results in higher tool life.
Absolutely.
All right, understands. Very interesting. Thank you very much.
Thank you also, Andy. Have a good time.
See you too. Bye.